Imagine a beast that's roaring its final anthem, a car that wears muscle, style, and bravado like a crown. Meet the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, the last of its kind, raw, unapologetic, and drenched in adrenaline. You approach it and your heart skips a beat. The lines remain classic, a long hood, cab rearward profile, and a silhouette that pays tribute to American muscle heritage. But it's more than nostalgia. LED blade taillights give a cutting-edge glow, embedding movement and animation into each flicker. There's active aero at play, retractable splitters and spoilers that emerge at speed to plant all that power firmly to the ground. Limited run colors like Panther Pink, Plum Crazy, and the electrifying Voltage Green honor the Challenger's past while giving it a fresh roar. One standout is the Black Ghost Final Edition, with matte black accents, carbon fiber hood pins, and a serial number plaque, turning this legend into art. Step inside, and tradition meets luxury. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster echoes the iconic 1970s dials yet adapts on the fly depending on your drive mode. Sounds come alive through a 19-speaker Shaker Pro system with a trunk-mounted subwoofer that rumbles its approval. And there are playful nods to muscle car culture, houndstooth upholstery, a pistol grip shifter, even a quirky built-in 8-track player that pairs with Bluetooth for modern convenience. But the real drama unfolds beneath the hood. The supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI Hellcat V8 unleashes a mind-blowing 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque, making this the most potent factory Challenger ever. You get to choose how you harness it, a classic 6-speed manual or an 8-speed auto, keeping with the Hellcat's unapologetically analog spirit. Launch control, line lock, and carbon ceramic brakes raise the bar for grip and stopping power. For those who don't mind software joining the party, there's Drag Strip Assist, an AI co-pilot fine-tuning launch RPM and shift points, giving you that perfect drag strip getaway. No, Dodge didn't stop at gas power. Enter the SRT Banshee EV, an electric hero in disguise. With 885 horsepower and a staggering 900 lb-ft of torque in drag mode, it shoots 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. More than speed, it's sensory theater. An erupt transmission mimics gear changes, while Fretsonic exhaust speakers pump out an artificial V8 growl to fool your senses into muscle-bound memory, even against electrified stealth. Inside, muscle meets tech with the Digital Burnouts feature that lets you command smoke with a swipe on the touchscreen. A SRT Jailbreak app unlocks secret performance modes, logs your driving bragging rights, and feels like the digital tattoo of a car that's ending a legacy on fire. So, what does this all cost? While Dodge hasn't shouted the price from the rooftops, insiders suggest a ballpark around $79,000 for the Hellcat SRT, firmly in the high-performance fountain but reflective of the power and X.